There's a sound in my spirit. It's a sound of heaven. There's a rhythm in my spirit. It's a rhythm of angels. There's a sound in my spirit. It's a sound of heaven. There's a rhythm in my spirit. It's a rhythm of angels. There's a sound in my spirit. It's a sound of heaven. You are carrying the sound of heaven. There is a rhythm in our spirit. It's a rhythm of angels. Are you ready to celebrate and release the breakthrough of our nation? Face to face, are you ready? I can't able to hear your voice. Are you ready? Face to face. In this last night of Soar 2024, we're gonna releasing a breakthrough upon our nation. That our nation will see the man like Moses, a breed like Moses, a generation like Moses. Are you ready? Now we are carrying the sound of heaven. We are carrying the rhythm of angels. We are carrying the core vibrations of heaven. Now we're gonna releasing upon our nation. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Come on, let's sing with me. Your kingdom